Microsoft Viva.
Microsoft Viva Insights helps business leaders address critical questions about organizational resiliency and work culture.
Graph showing team cohesion.
You can see that only 37% of teams across the business have strong cohesion, meaning that a lot of employees are at risk of isolation. Best practices can help break down those silos and create alignment, a sense of shared purpose, and community across the entire company.
Suggested best practices.
These insights, generated using aggregated de-identified data from Microsoft apps and services, are even more powerful when combined with other data sources.
Well-being metrics.
That's why we're excited to introduce a new dashboard for joint Viva and Glint customers that maps behavioral insights about how people work to sentiment data about how people feel. This dashboard can help leaders more accurately identify where teams may be struggling, proactively adjust work patterns, and then measure the impact of those changes over time.
Glint report with Viva Insights.
We're also partnering to bring Viva Insights into Glint. New capabilities can help analyze engagement data, including comment data, based on metrics like weekly collaboration hours, work week span, and manager-employee one-on-one time. Glint Smart Alerts also uses this information to identify employee populations at higher risk of attrition. Viva Insights can also tap into data from third-party tools and services like Zoom, Workday, and SAP SuccessFactors. Viva Insights helps leaders know where to take steps to help their organization improve well-being and build better work habits. Productivity and well-being insights are also invaluable for managers, providing visibility into work patterns that can lead to burnout and stress, such as after-hours work, meeting overload, or too little focus time.
Graph showing after-hours work.
Here, you can see over half of the team consistently works after hours.
60%.
That number's high, especially within the context of similar teams across the organization. Viva Insights makes it easy to understand current team norms, so managers can set goals for positive change. Supporting research and data-driven best practices help them address challenges head-on. And they can easily launch flexible programs designed to help teams collaborate more effectively, preserve time for uninterrupted work, and disconnect at the day's end. Team members receive recommendations and best practices to help them prioritize well-being and boost productivity. And managers can track and measure progress against team goals over time. For employees, a virtual commute experience is coming soon to Viva Insights.
A phone notification.
In Microsoft Teams, it'll offer a preset reminder to wrap up their workdays in a mindful way, close out their tasks to free valuable mental space, preview what's on their calendars for tomorrow, and reflect on how they felt about their day. They can even unwind with guided meditation from Headspace. Viva Insights also helps employees make the most of their working hours. With the Stay Connected experience, they can maintain strong relationships with important people in their work networks. This makes it easy to prioritize one-on-one meetings and keep up with requests in emails, chats, and shared documents, all in one place. Yes, collaboration is important, but sometimes employees just need quiet time to concentrate. The Protect Time experience makes it easy to schedule focus time to work uninterrupted during the day before it fills up with meetings. And of course, actionable insights are also available right in employees' workflow in Microsoft Outlook. The briefing email from Cortana prompts them to set aside time in the week ahead for learning and other important activities. To help make the most of that learning time, the briefing email will also include recommendations like unlocked courses from LinkedIn Learning. Viva Insights gives leaders, managers, and employees data-driven insights that help everyone work smarter and thrive.
Introducing Microsoft Viva. Microsoft Viva. Connections, learning, topics, insights. Microsoft 365. Microsoft.